Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Erica, and today's video is going to be the Chappell Roan Governor's Ball Statue of Liberty look. As soon as I saw this look on her Instagram, I was dying. Obviously, I wish I was there in person. I've never been to a Chappell Roan concert, but that's like on my bucket list at this point. And yeah, I just really want to do this look. Also, like, not to be conceited, but green is my color, so like I've been dying to see how this look is gonna look on me. I even bought a green wig. And yeah, I bought all this stuff while I'm here, and while this is out, I bought this little like thing from Joann's, and I literally just bought it because it comes with a little apple. So I'm gonna have like an apple necklace, and it's gonna be a whole vibe. I'm really excited. And I wanted to film this intro really quick because I'm literally going to throw my hair back in a super ugly bun because all my hair has to fit under a wig. So I thought I would film a really quick intro while my hair is still like down. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I have to say before I get into this video. I guess I will talk about this really quick. So I bought like these little glass mirrors on Amazon. I'll link everything down below. And I just this morning bedazzled my own Statue of Liberty crown. It came, you know, just with this green, but I wanted it to be fancy like Chappell's was, so I bedazzled it. And then I even used makeup rhinestones where the mirrors stopped fitting. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. Definitely stick around if you want to see how the full look comes out, and if you guys end up doing this look for Halloween or anything, definitely tag me if you end up using my tutorial to do it. That would be super cool. I'm probably gonna reuse this look. Okay, well, let me just say, while you're watching this, it's still September because that's just how the makeup looks work for October. I swear to God, like you need to be on top of it. You need to do it way before October even hits because October is gonna fly right by. So that's why I'm pre-filming this video and the video that I already posted, which is my Kink is Karma music video. So if you guys didn't see that, I'll like link it up here anyways. But yeah, I'm super excited to be doing these Chappell Roan looks, and let's get on into it. Also, if you're not subscribed already, definitely subscribe so you can see any future looks. And also follow my Instagram and my TikTok because I'm gonna post a really fun reel and TikTok with the sound. So it'll be a fun time. I'm super excited. And yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna start by looking at my reference photo and trying to color match a green that's gonna work for me. So I bought, I'm trying to grab them. I bought okay, let me show you this one first. So this is my Wet n Wild palette that I use in like every creative video. I'm so sorry, I think it's sold out, but I'm sure you can find something like this online. It's like water activated, and it's, yeah, Wet n Wild. And then I also got this green body paint. I'm planning to use this for my body and then the other one for my face. And then I also have white and black because the green that she has is like a gray green, so obviously you have to mix white and black to get gray. So I'm gonna do a little mixture and try to like color match a good shade for me. Okay, just to update you guys, I basically did my whole face green in a mixture, but now I'm going in with the white in like certain areas to make sure that, like, you know, like it's basically like using concealer, but like the white parts go where the concealer would go, if that makes sense. I look really crazy right now. But the reason I like popped in here, because I probably am just gonna have music over this whole thing, but the reason I popped in here right now is because, okay, I'm rewatching Ugly Betty, as I do like once a year, and I just so happened right now to be on the Wicked episode. Like, what are the fucking chances I'm on the Wicked episode of Ugly Betty? Shooketh. Okay, let's continue with the video. I look crazy. And after I'm done with this, I'm gonna set it with translucent powder so that I'm able to go in with green contour and start using powders and like stick to only powders, you know? So once I go translucent powder, all everything from there on and out is gonna be powders. And I'm actually very happy with the way my eyebrows got covered. I feel like it was super seamless. Like, I feel like I need to be on the cast of Wicked right now. So yeah. And also one more thing, I think it's kind of like good to like play around with the weight that you're putting, like for example, like going super hard or like diffusing it, because once you build up a couple layers, it will kind of like the face paint will start to come off if you push too hard. So it's good to just like experiment with how light you're doing it, and like versus like you just trying to blend it out, you know? So yeah, okay, that's my last tip. I'm gonna get into this, what do you call it? I'm gonna get into this montage or whatever it's called. In case you guys are interested, I got this wig on Amazon, and it came with like a little strappy inside to like strap your real hair inside, and it literally broke. So I'm like, awkward. But I think it like fits pretty well. And honestly, when I have on my Liberty headband, it kind of like holds my hair anyways. So that's that on that. And yeah, I'll link everything that I got down below. Okay guys, that completes this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and please take a look at my Instagram and my TikTok, because I'm going to post a reel and a TikTok, and they're both going to include the sound, and it's just going to be a whole vibe. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you want to see more looks like this in the future, then definitely subscribe, because I know I'm not like the most active YouTuber, but this is like a passion of mine. It's like a little passion project. So I just try to do it when I can, you know. And so if you also want to know where I got this crown and this, I can link it down below. And as I said in the beginning of this video, I attached these mirrors and also these little rhinestones. So it's definitely a DIY moment. And wow, my makeup turned out so freaking good. The green was a little patchy when I first was putting it on, but I'm loving it. I literally made these little white things out of paper plates. Like, I went a full DIY moment. I got this from Joann's, and I will also include a little video of how I made my skirt. Basically, I thrifted this skirt. I cut it up using like, there's this kind of blick tape or whatever, and it's like 1 inch, or you can buy 0.75 inch. So I just made like however thickness I wanted. Basically this is the skirt right now, but you can't see it because I'm wearing it. And then I bought some ribbon, and so basically you're able to like measure out how thick you want your little strips of cloth. Then I bought these little things from Michael's and Joann's, these little buttons, and I just DIY'd this whole thing, and I thrifted my shirt. So yeah, let me know if you guys end up using my video to recreate your look. And I had so much fun doing this. I think, I hate to say it, but I had a lot more fun. Okay, wait, I worded that weird. I had even more fun doing this video than my last one, and my last one I had a blast doing. So this was super fun. Thank you guys for being here and supporting my video. If you like this video, please give it a like. It'll help promote my video and hopefully get Chappell Roan to see it. Okay, love you guys. Thank you so much, and I hope you're having a good day, and I hope you have a good Halloween. And let me know if you end up copying this cosplay. And the reason I'm talking so fast is because my battery's about to die, so I'm like, okay, bye guys, happy Halloween.